measures. Opposition Congress MP from Tura, Saleng A. Sangma, has called on the central government to relocate 82 households living near the Meghalaya-Bangladesh border, flagging the issue in the ongoing budget session of the parliament. Sangma highlighted how these families face severe challenges due to the construction of a border fence, which has limited their mobility. Sangma also highlighted the critical need for medical access, which is hindered after 5 p.m. He emphasized the urgency of relocating these families to safer areas. The government has been urged to prioritize their well-being. This move is seen as vital for their survival and daily needs.
People living in the international border area who are living in fear and agony and pain. Mr. Chairman, sir, I would like to bring to the notice those who are living on the international border, those who have been fenced outside the fence. Our own citizen has been fenced outside the international border, Mr. Chairman, sir. So if there is no relocation for these people who are living in the border area outside the fence, in the evening after 5, they cannot even come back to any hospital even to relocate if there is any pain or any agony. So, Mr. Speaker, sir, I would like to urge upon you through this House, through you, Mr. Speaker, sir, they should be relocated. More than hundreds of households are in pain right now.
Ribhoi district is fully prepared for the